Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download TeraBox on your computer. So for downloading that, search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And then here on the Microsoft Store, search on the search bar for the TeraBox. So let me search here TeraBox. So here you can see TeraBox for PC is showing. Now click on it. So now here you can see there is an option to install this. So here you can see I have clicked on install. Now it is preparing to download. It will take a few seconds according to your internet speed to download on your computer. So this is how you can download TeraBox on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.